Have you ever accepted a payment but weren't sure how it impacts your books? Did this just increase my revenue, or is it just clearing accounts receivable? Or maybe you've asked yourself, how does this affect my cash flow and financial statements? Recording a payment isn't just about marking an invoice as settled, it's about understanding how it impacts your books. Does it increase your cash balance? Reduce outstanding invoices? Affect profitability? But what if you could automate this process and get an instant structured breakdown of how each payment influences your accounts? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this chapter, using ChatGPT to simplify receipt entries and ensure precise financial tracking. A typical receipt entry includes the customer's name, invoice reference, payment date, amount received, and payment method, whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or cash. Properly recording these details ensures accurate cash flow tracking, revenue recognition, and financial reporting. To simplify this process, we've created a structured ChatGPT prompt that automates the accounting breakdown for any receipt entry. The prompt captures all key details, including the customer's name, invoice number, payment date, amount received, and payment method. Most importantly, it doesn't just record the transaction, it provides a clear journal entry, impact on ledger accounts, and explains how the payment reflects in financial statements. So let's take a look at an actual example to see this prompt in action. In this prompt, we have added all the required information on the blank parts from cash receipt, like receiver name, amounts, and payment method. In response to the prompt about recording a cash payment from Sunshine Supermarket, ChatGPT offers a clean and structured accounting breakdown. The transaction involves a $25,000 payment made on February 17, 2025, in full settlement of invoice number 101. The payment is received in cash, and ChatGPT confirms that this is not a revenue-generating event, as the revenue had already been recognized when the original invoice was issued. This payment is simply the collection of funds previously recorded as a receivable. The journal entry provided debits cash for $25,000 and credits accounts receivable Sunshine Supermarket for the same amount. This entry reflects the increase in liquid assets and the reduction of the customer's outstanding balance. ChatGPT then outlines the ledger impact. The cash account increases by $25,000, while accounts receivable decreases by the same amount, clearing the balance owed by the customer. In terms of the trial balance, ChatGPT confirms that the books remain balanced. Total debits and credits still match after the entry, and only the composition of assets is affected. There is no change in revenue or expenses on the profit and loss statement since the income was already recorded at the time the sale occurred. On the balance sheet, ChatGPT notes that this transaction results in an increase in cash and an equal decrease in accounts receivable. Total assets remain unchanged, but liquidity improves due to the shift from receivables to cash. Liabilities and equity are not impacted. Lastly, ChatGPT explains that this payment appears on the cash flow statement as a $25,000 inflow under operating activities, representing cash collected from customers. The response wraps up by offering to provide alternate breakdowns for other payment methods, such as bank transfers or partial settlements, reinforcing its flexibility for different scenarios. Next, we will talk about payment entry in ChatGPT. So, see you in the next chapter.